All right, here we go. Solve 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x plus 3 using your calculator. And so let's walk through that. On my calculator here, I gone ahead and typed in the equation already, and you can pause to get that in there as well. But 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x plus 3, and I'm going to go ahead and graph that. And there it is. So it's a cubic function doing all the things we should think it should. It's got a positive leading coefficient, so it starts at negative infinity, heads on up, goes through its 3 roots, and ends at positive infinity. So everything's kind of as it seems like it should be. And so we are going to look for our zeros first off. And so to do that, I hit second trace because I'm really heading up to the calculate function here. And I'm going to go to number 2, I'm going to go to my zeros. I've got to trap them in between kind of my left bound and right bound. So I'm left of the 0 that I'm looking at, that first one there. Hit enter. Now it says right bound, and now I've got to go along the graph until I'm on the right of it. Don't guess, just hit enter. And it looks like our 0 is at negative 2.4. And again, this negative 1e to the negative 12th really is just saying 0. It's really, really, really close to 0. Now, so negative 2.4 is our first. I'm going to go ahead and kind of sketch the graph. So here's 0, and somewhere over here, negative 2.4. So my roots are at negative 2.4. And next I've got a root at, so second calculate, a 0 at, there we go, so left bound of it. Now I'm right bound of it, don't guess, and this time we're going to get 0.4. So 0.4, it's going to be just right around here, 0.4. And our last root is going to be at 1.5. All right, so 1.5, somewhere right around there. And now we saw our graph, it headed up, headed down, headed back up again. But I want to know where this is less than or equal to 0, and so I can either on my calculator or now that I've sketched it, it's just easier for me to write once I'm on this screen. And so from what was that last one? Last one was 1.5. Now here are my different areas that I need to consider. So when y is less, all this, if it's less than 0, my output, my graph is going to give me a negative number. So this first part is negative. So I've got a solution as x is less than negative 2.4. And right here from negative 2.4 to 0.4, this is all positive. So I don't want those values. From 0.4 to 1.5, we're negative again. So 0.4 is less than x, which is less than 1.5. And then after 1.5, we're positive again. All right, so there's our solution. Hope that helped.